Deal tipping on Bobos, wrapped in Bobos, tipping on Bobos, wrapped in Bobos, tipping on Bobos, wrapped in Bobos, pimping Bobos, and I'm packing Bobos. Now look who creeping, look who crawling, still ballin' in the mix. It's that.
Alright, so I'm about to go get the Flowmasters done on the Mustang, and I'm sorry about the camera angle, but this is the best I can do. I had to plant the camera on top of the bike because I couldn't get anyone else to hold the camera. So here's a video of the car turning on with the H-Pipe. I have the resonator taken off and it only has an H-Pipe. And that's about it for that video. I'll tune back with you guys when I got more footage for you. Alright, got both windows down. I'm gonna give you a quick little pull. Regular driving, nothing crazy. That was first and second gear, pulling to about 5,000 RPM.